Alright, so now I did that other video, whatever. Now I want to do a quick little video about. I want to do a video about being married to the spirit. Because I feel like, you know, I'm pretty sure some of y'all wanna learn about that a little bit. Yeah. So basically, normally how a marriage works is, you know what I mean? A loa has to propose. And once a loa proposes, you can choose whether or not you will agree to their proposal or not. Honestly, you could go whatever route you want to go. You feel me? You could go whatever route you want to go. Just make sure you educate yourself first. Are there benefits of being married to the law? Fuck yes. There are a lot of benefits. Primarily, everything they say online about being married to the law and shit is pretty much accurate. It's a pretty serious commitment. If you fuck around, you will get fucked up. And this is basically coming from somebody who's fucked around and who's been fucked up. I'm not gonna tell y'all like how I got you feel me? I'm not gonna tell you how you gonna get fucked up, but listen, you break the rules, you will get fucked up. So, boom. With that being said, you feel me? I was young, dumb, so I fucked around a little bit. I mean, I fucked around a little bit with the rules and shit. And the results, not cool. You feel me? Not cool at all. So as far as fucking around, niggas won't see me fucking around again. Cause you feel me? Like the results, you don't want the results. When you fuck around, the results, you don't want them. That's all I gotta say. I don't gotta go into detail or none of that. But once you are married to him, aside from respecting their days and abstaining on their days, you kind of have to also make extra efforts to contact them often. And candles are cool. Candles are cool, but I'm Haitian. I like to speak to the loi. Yeah, I'm talking about. I like when somebody call it up and I could talk to it. So, yeah, you're gonna have to make once you get married to him. I'm talking about like they're your boss. Long story short, nigga, I'm not here to sugarcoat nothing and lie to niggas. They're your fucking boss. You heard? They're your boss. Niggas be talking about, oh, we control the spirit. The spirit don't control us. That's cap. You not control no fucking spirit. Like, trust me, bro. Especially, I'm talking about the Guinean spirits and all that. Like the spirits that you inherit from your relatives and all that. You don't control shit. Cause a lot of people be saying shit like, oh yeah, you're the one who controls the spirit. No, nigga, you don't control shit, nigga. That's a fucking spirit. How are you gonna control a spirit, bro? Yeah, you could do shit like this. All right, boom. You could do shit like you send the spirit out to work, but as far as like controlling it and being its boss, like, no, bro, you're not the boss of nothing. The spirits view you like you're their child. How the fuck are you gonna be the boss of something and that shit is your mom and your dad, nigga? Like, you feel me? But yeah, you gotta show them love. You gotta throw parties for them. You gotta throw parties for them. You gotta feed them. You gotta take care of them, and then you will see blessings. You feel me? And that's basically it. That's as far as how the process went. Basically, we flew out to Haiti. You know what I'm saying? But before we flew out, like, I already had spoken to the dark skinned one. You feel me? I already had spoken to her. She knew I was going to Haiti to get married and all that. It's not like I just went to Haiti and it was like, oh hey, let's get married. No. You gotta plan shit out. And I had already planned it out with her and shit. You know what I'm saying? So we planned it out, flew to Haiti, and they basically do like a ceremony. It's like I wouldn't say it's like a real marriage because it's not as fancy, but in the like spiritual voodoo realm, it's pretty fancy. You feel me? If you can afford to make it fancy. You feel me? Like, it was pretty fancy. It was done inside of a peristyle. And I can't front. Those marriages were probably like my first experience and shit. In a peristyle, seeing the spirits dance. And that year I bought Dantor like a nice pig, bro. I bought her a nice big pig. She pulled up, she killed it. She killed the pig. For me, first Freda is gonna cover all that. You get married to Freda first, then you feel me? The next day, you get married to Dantor, bro. She killed the pig. We got married, and that's basically it. What benefits have I seen from it? The benefits I could say that I've seen from it is, if I was ever broke, it was due to my irresponsibility. Like, but as far as like money coming in, money was coming in. As far as love goes, I must admit, before I got married to them, I would always have like relationship problems. You feel me? Like, if I was interested in a woman, we would speak to each other, and eventually shit would just go south. Shit would go wrong. Like, you feel me? But once I took care of that, I ain't really have those problems no more. You feel me? Like, I was actually able to get into good relationships, stable relationships, relationships that I didn't just randomly throw away. I didn't just like randomly wake up one day and be like, yo, fuck this relationship. You feel me? Like, so relationship wise, yeah. Improvement. Financially, yes. Improvement. As far as like, they say if you're married to Freda, you're gonna always be fly, you're gonna always smell good, you're gonna always this. That's up to you. If you're dirty, you're dirty. So you could be married to Freda, but if you're a dirty dude, like, or a dirty woman, or whatever, like, well, I don't know. I can't really speak from a female aspect because, like, I don't really do too much research on, like, the benefits of being married to the male spirits. You feel me? Like, I can't really speak on that. But the Freda thing, I know, like, you're supposed to look good, this, that, but can't look good if you just mentally, you're just not a clean person. So don't look at it like, oh, I'm married to Freda, and like I'm never gonna sweat, I'm never gonna have to wear deodorant, shit like that. No, bro, you still gotta work, you still gotta take care of yourself. You feel me? The Lord's not gonna just take care of you. You gotta take care of yourself too. You feel me? So yeah, those are the things that I those are the results I got from being married to them. You feel me? Financially, improved. You feel me? Relationship wise, improved. And I think I got married. Yeah, I got married to him two years ago, 2.5 years ago. The first year I did see improvements, but they weren't drastic. The second year, I started seeing way more improvements. And in like 2.5, all the things they say, like after 2.5, yeah, all the things they say about that shit, I see it. I see it like to this day for me. So that's what it's like being married to them. You gotta take care of them. You gotta show them love, show them affection. If it's possible, light their candles on their days. For me, feed them, do dances, shit like that. You know what I mean? Regular. For me, they're gonna give you bread, and some of that bread they give you, you gotta use it to throw them little parties and shit. Feed them. that's basically what it's like, in my opinion. Being married to the spirits. Oh yeah, and before I go up, just want to say, love you, Dantor, love you, Freda, and love you all of the other Loa that I'm married to. We're not gonna say who they are.